This is Murray Teed from Outdoor Travel. We're doing the 376TH. This is the ultimate couples coach. You need at least a 3500 to a 4500 truck to tow it. It goes on and on for what you can grab. You got storage all the way through there, which is really nice. You got a central vacuum system in the particular coach, R40 insulation in the roof, propane tank on this side, all solid steel sides going all around, fiberglass cap on the front, Mo-Ride suspension on the front, so you get the chatter in the box. In here you have the 5500 watt generator, hydraulic jacks to level it up and down, which is nice. Then if you take a look in here, you have your docking station here. I did the docking station on the last one we just did. This kind of gives you an idea. Water filtration system, central vacuum system in it, automatic leveling on here. Your thickness of your doors are amazing in this particular coach. 50 amp service, 12-gallon hot water tank. Your furnace exhaust out here. Solid steel slides going all the way around. But just take a look at this. This is unbelievable. Storage all the way through there. Storage all the way through here. Fueling station right here for all your toys. It runs your generator also. Then if you come back here, you have your garage in the back. Now take a look at that. You can put a spider in there, 2 motorcycles if you like. The bed raises up and down. It has the Euro chairs out here, so you can sit out here if you like. To put it back up, that's all it is. Got a roof rack and ladder on the side. Out here you have your outside kitchen. It's got the 2-burner stove here. You put that up on top, your fridge right here. That's your TV right there, entertainment section right there. Then here you have your pass-through storage. And it really nice is that you have a sprayer right here, so when you want to put your stairs inside the coach, you put them up, rinse them off, put them up, and away you go. So remember, all your slides on these coaches are all solid laminated slide, steel slide. In this particular coach, you get an 18 cubic foot fridge. You get the residential stove in this particular coach. So just take a look at the oven you have in this. You can do a full roast, full turkey, whatever you want to do, invite the family up. Have a great time, but it's really, truly a couples coach. If you take a look, you got freestanding dinette. You have 3 distinct rooms in this particular coach. You have a little place for a desk, computer desk right here. You have more cupboard space here, more drawers all the way down through here. But if you walk up here, this is what we're paying for up here. You have a queen size bed here, a double here, and a queen size here, heated and massage chairs right here. So you can have the whole family with you. Put 2, 4, and then somebody can lay on that couch if they wanted to sleep. But it's just a beautiful coach. Now you go to the back. Oh, I forgot this over here. So you have a pantry on the side. Now everybody asks me what this cupboard is up here. This is for the stuff that you're gonna store just for like canned goods and everything else. Then you got more cupboards in here, but take a look at your hinges. They're all hidden in this coach. This is a 2021. So this one has a cheater bathroom in it. Porcelain toilet. Nice cabinetry all the way through. Again, it's a solid fiberglass shower installment here. You sit down, and here you have the king size bed. And don't forget, this bed raises up. More storage all the way through here. Nice big cupboard on this side. It's a little bit cramped on that side, but it's really nice to have. Nice king size bed. 3 air conditioners on this particular coach. This is Murray Teed from Outdoor Travel. Come and see this coach. It's just a beautiful coach. Take care. Please contact me by email or phone. Have a nice day. Bye.